You're probably wondering what the best export settings are for YouTube. You found the right video. Let's jump straight in. I'm gonna demonstrate this in Resolve and Premiere, so don't skip it because I'll tell you in both programs. So go to the deliver page. This is a video I did a while back. It's about me moving into a different apartment. So the first thing that I usually do is, despite, Resolve has this built-in tool, I'll never use it. I don't know why, I just don't trust it. Maybe I'll do some tests and check the difference in quality, but for now I'll just give it a name, the Move to, and on the desktop is totally fine. I'll leave it at format MP4, codec is H.264, use hardware accelerations if possible, that's totally fine. Then my frame rate is always 24. Then I'll use the 3840 by 2160 it is. And then I restrict it to 100,000 kbps or 100 mbps. The rest I'll basically leave an auto. If I have subtitles, I'll make sure to export subtitles either as an SRT file or baked in. In this video, I'll have them baked in. Then I go to audio and then, just leave it as is, AAC and 320 kbps. And then I just render all and I'm done. For Premiere, it is exactly the same as you would export any other video, except you choose 4K, 100 Mbps, HD, 50 Mbps. All right, that's about it. The rest stays the same. So yeah. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys learned something. If you did, let me know in the comments. And until next week, as always, ciao.